This is tool cart tour. Got all of my extensions. Quarter, 3/8 long ratchet. Half, 3/8, quarter, stubby 3/8. Half extensions. Half 3/8, longer all the way up to transmission. Hammer, 3/8 impact, my rags, little pry bars. Made this one probably a little bit easier. Little cheater pipe with a magnet on the side, help hold it. 1/4 inch sockets, 3/8 short and deep. 1/2 inch impact. Screwdrivers. This one I just mainly use for prying. 1/2 inch sockets. Straws, so when I need to use them for magnet. Got flat heads. Always helps to have a shorter one. Just that little bit extra. Haven't made a hole for this long 3/8 ratchet. Little hammer, fucking the baddest thing ever. And I put magnets all along here, so when I'm working, I can just throw nuts and bolts up here. And stay along right there. Standard metric short. You see shorts there. Deeps on this side. Magnet helps hold it in place. Torques. All these I use for beading on. They're all taped, as you can see from over here, taped because the cap falls off, but they're harborFreight, they work. Panel tool. Hood prop tool. My side cart. Put this on there so it's easier to clean up. As you can see underneath, got my brake cleaners, grease, spray. Having this helps a whole lot on storage. Now, got all my pliers. The knife, as you can see right there, magnet. Stays in place better. See, I like my magnets. Got paper clips, little chisels in there. Adapters, Phillips. Stubbies, electrical scratch outs. Just my bigger drawer, you figure you have other stuff in there, but I have marking stuff, flash headlight, eye drops, lighter, stuff like that. Some stuff, safety glasses. I can see my guns here. And this chart works great, helps a whole lot. Got my swivels, ratchet, extras, so when my other ones break, I have them. Pliers, long pliers and everything like that, just miscellaneous stuff. Then I got my ratchet, my flashlights, hexes, inverted torques, flashlights, pry bar, see everything. I like to have everything magnet. This is magnetic mat, see? Go to the bottom, got my 1/2 inch nuts and bolts and everything back there. Short 1/2 inch ratcheting, lower, got straps, got stuff, strap up stuff, that 1/4 inch impact, magnet trays, really good flashlight from Mac. Short straps, go on the back side, got my magnet tray, got my bigger wrenches, some more straps, big tray, again magneted, big breaker bar. These are just double mag strip harborFreight. Now they don't give them away anymore, but it still works. And I guess if you have any questions, just let me know.